You paid good money for that speaker. And it sounds like it's coming from inside a tin can. Yeah, we've all been there. Here's the thing. The market is absolutely flooded right now. There are hundreds of Bluetooth speakers out there, all claiming to be the loudest, clearest, most durable option. But most of them? Total disappointment once you actually take them home. So I did the research for you. I tested and compared the top options, and today I'm breaking down the 5 best portable Bluetooth speakers for every budget and every type of listener. Let's get into it. Number 5, the JBL Clip 5. This one is for the person who lives on the go. Hikers, cyclists, commuters, anyone who needs a speaker that literally clips onto their bag and just works. The Clip 5 has an IP67 rating, so rain, splashes, mud, it doesn't care. It delivers surprisingly clear sound for something this small, and the built-in carabiner is genuinely useful, not just a gimmick. Battery life runs up to 12 hours, which is solid for a speaker this compact. But here's the catch. Don't expect room-filling bass. This is a one-person speaker. It's perfect for solo adventures, not so much for impressing a group. Still, for portability and toughness at this price, nothing comes close. Number 4, the Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 4. Think of this as the tough little tank of the list. It's waterproof, floats in water, and actually produces 360-degree sound. So it throws audio in all directions, which is perfect for setting it down in the middle of a table or a campsite. It's also seriously durable. You can drop it, get it completely soaked, and this thing just keeps playing. Now here's the honest truth. The soundstage is a little narrow for its price. If you crank it all the way up, the high frequencies can get a bit harsh. But for outdoor hang sessions and casual listening, it punches way above its weight. Number 3, the Bose SoundLink Flex 2nd generation. Now this is where it gets interesting. Bose is known for one thing above everything else, and that's making audio sound balanced and polished. The SoundLink Flex 2nd Gen is no different. It's compact, it has a utility loop so you can hang it anywhere, and the IP67 rating means it's fully waterproof and dustproof. The sound quality is genuinely impressive for the size. Clear mids, smooth highs, and enough bass to actually feel it. It also supports AAC over Bluetooth, which means better audio quality if you're streaming from an iPhone. But here's the catch. The JBL options at similar prices get louder, and the Charge 6 has a bigger battery. So if raw volume is your priority, keep reading. But if you want refined, premium sound in a carry-anywhere package, the Flex 2nd Gen is hard to beat. Number 2, the JBL Flip 7. If you want a serious party speaker under $200, the Flip 7 is the one. It's been redesigned from the ground up, and the sound upgrade over previous models is immediately noticeable. More bass, wider soundstage, and it gets genuinely loud outdoors. It also uses Auracast technology now, which means you can pair it with other compatible JBL speakers to fill a bigger space with audio. Waterproof, dustproof, rugged enough for the beach or a backyard cookout. Here's the thing though, battery life is decent but not amazing. You're getting around 12 hours, which is fine for a day out, but won't survive a multi-day camping trip unplugged. Still, for the price, the sound quality here is exceptional. It's the sweet spot between portability and performance. And the number 1 pick, the JBL Charge 6. This is the one most people should buy, full stop. The Charge 6 hits a level of balance that almost nothing else at this price can match. Powerful 45-watt output, which means it sounds loud and clear even outdoors, even at a distance. The bass is deep and punchy without sounding muddy. And with an IP68 rating, it's waterproof, dustproof, and genuinely built to survive. Here's what really sets it apart though. Battery life. up to 24 hours on a single charge. That is 2 full days of listening. It also charges via USB-C and supports Auracast multi-speaker pairing with compatible JBL models. Now the honest drawback, it's bigger and heavier than the Flip 7 and the Bose Flex. If you need something ultra pocketable, this probably isn't it. But if you want the best all-around portable speaker you can buy right now, the JBL Charge 6 is the answer. All right, those are your top 5. See you in the next one.